Hello, everyone. Welcome to Loomly. Thanks for taking time out of your day to join us. Today, we're hosting our onboarding webinar, so you can start creating content with Loomly as soon as possible. My name is Mike from the customer success team, and Jennifer will also be on helping out in the chat. Loomly was built on a calendar basis, so you can have one calendar per brand, client, project, or location. The All Calendars calendar allows you to get an overview of all your calendars at a glance. Our dashboard shows an overview of your account. Here you'll be able to access all your calendars and get a post overview. You can also access our FAQ, your account settings, view your calendars, and also check out some tutorials. With Loomly, we offer two different views for your calendars post. List view shows relevant information for your social media posts in a spreadsheet-like format. This allows you to browse, filter your posts, sort them, assign, approve them, comment, edit, and also duplicate your posts. Calendar view allows you to get a strategic monthly overview of your content. Calendar view also allows you to filter and edit your posts. You can drag and drop posts if you like to other dates. You can create a post, and you can also create quick posts. In Calendar view, you can also group and ungroup posts that have fine-tuned dates and times. So there's an example right there. Additionally, you can supercharge your brainstorming process with our post ideas view. Think of it like food for thought when creating a post. Now, let's take a look at our post builder, where you can start creating content. Step one, you can set a generic time and date for your post, which will apply to all your channels. You can take advantage of Loomly's scheduling slots to set your preferred publishing times and save time when creating new posts in Post Builder. Then you can define a subject that is only for use inside of Loomly. Last but not least, Loomly suggests post ideas for inspiration based on Twitter trending topics, RSS feed entries, date-related events, social media best practices, and custom post ideas. You can also use labels for your posts to stay organized. Create a label as well. You can edit. In step two, you can select the social media icons corresponding to the channels where you want to publish your post. You select Pinterest as a channel. This is where you can pick your Pinterest board. In addition, Loomly's custom channel allows you to create and collaborate content on any platforms that are not natively supported in Loomly. Here's another quick tip: is you can create a post for multiple calendars at once. Right here. For example, this is a time saver if you manage social accounts for a business spanning over multiple locations. Going into step 3, you can define base content and upload base media files, which will automatically apply to all the channels selected. You can select media files for a few different ways: directly from your library, using Unsplash. We also have Giphy, and you can upload directly from your device photos and videos. You can also import media from an URL. Using the browse library, you can browse different types of media, labels, if it's been used in a post or an ad, and when the media has been added or when it's been used. Here you can edit using Loomly Studios. You can crop using custom or popular crop ratios based off of social media applications for Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, for example. You can apply various filters. You can also make adjustments to brightness, contrast, saturation if you'd like. And then you can also add text and overlays. Then you can open your hashtag manager to benefit from hashtag suggestions based on the copy of your post. You can discover trending hashtags, and you can create and edit your own hashtag collections. You can also create UTM parameters for your links to track the performance of your content. In addition, Loomly also offers its own URL shortener, loom.ly. As an added bonus, loom.ly URLs give you access to essential link metrics, including clicks, sources, and locations in advanced analytics. Also, we have a emoji manager as well. So moving on to step 4, you can preview and fine-tune your post for each social media channel. This step is where you can fine-tune and customize your post for each social media channel that was previously selected. For instance, if you publish the same post to Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, you may want to have a base version of your post for Facebook a shorter version for Twitter, sprinkle in some hashtags for Instagram, and make it a bit more formal on LinkedIn. This is also where you can select if you want to add to your feed or stories, for both Facebook and Instagram. And with Instagram, you also have the option to add a first comment. So put some hashtags in there. And you can tag users if you'd like. Quick tip is post optimization provides guidance on copy length, timing, format, and readability for each social media channel to ensure that your posts are best formatted for your audience. Go up here and see if you also have it for Facebook as well, and for Twitter. Moving on to step 5. Step 5 is an optional step that allows you to publish more accurately with audience targeting capabilities. For Facebook, Prevert Audience organically targets who you would like to reach in Facebook newsfeed. Audience restrictions limit who will be able to see your post. And post sponsoring promotes your post with Facebook ads. In the final step, you can save your post as a draft, submit it for approval, schedule it for a specific date, or even publish it immediately. Once you create a post, you can preview it in post view, making collaboration with your team visual and intuitive. For the next section, we wanted to discuss collaborating with your team with Loomly. Clients and collaborators who are invited will be counted as a user. When you invite collaborators to Loomly, they will need to create an account, but they do not need to subscribe to a plan. They can use Loomly for free, as long as they don't create any calendars of their own. You can invite as many collaborators as you want within your plan's limitations. We offer a collaborative review and approval with end-to-end post history in our post view, which can be done in one place with your team and clients. You can preview the post, duplicate posts, assign one or multiple collaborators, update post status, reply to your collaborators, and view the published post link. So from here, update your post status there. You can assign collaborators. Also submit for approval and schedule. Assigned collaborators will receive a link with the post view so they can comment, update the post status, or approve posts. Our comment system also allows you to mention users, mark comments as private so clients will not see, pin comments, and view logs for the post history. When you invite a collaborator to join a calendar, you can assign a role to them. Loomly comes with 4 default roles out of the box: editor, client, contributor, and viewer. Please note that the owner role is automatically attributed to the user who creates the calendar. You can update the role at any time from within the collaborators tab of your account settings. Additionally, custom roles allows you to create tailor-made sets of permissions for each of your team members in a more granular and flexible way. Here's just a list of some of the permissions that you can set for a custom role. A quick tip, the user management panel located in the billing tab of your account settings provides you with an overview of the users on your plan and also lets you manage all your collaborators in one place. You can invite from here, determine which calendar, and also update user roles. This is also where you can remove users from your subscription. Loomly also offers 4 different workflow options, which determine how a post is created from start to finish. Original workflow is ideal for larger teams when multiple people need to review and approve a post. Light workflow is best suited for smaller teams when just one person needs to approve a post. And finally, zero workflow is perfect for solo users when no one needs to approve a post. Lastly, custom workflow is a way to go when you need to automate your team's workflow with collaborator assignments for specific post states and consolidate your approval process with conditional guards. Have assignment triggers, state guards, to assign someone to a post, just select your collaborator's name in the Assign To drop-down menu available both list and post view. Once assigned, the collaborator is notified by email through a push notification on their mobile device or via Slack or Microsoft Teams, depending on their personal notification preferences. You can assign multiple collaborators to a post so they can all take part in the approval and publishing process. If your team works in batches and you'd rather let your collaborators know once an entire calendar is ready for review, rather than assigning them individual posts, you can use the Notify a Collaborator feature here. Last but not least, the export feature lets you extend collaboration online for an overview for your activities, which is very useful for offline meetings and pitch decks. You can export list view, calendar view, and post view as PDF files, and advanced analytics as PDF or CSV file. From here, you can select your date range. Now that we've reviewed how to collaborate in Loomly, we want to discuss engaging and replying to your audience within Loomly. You can use our interactions management tool to reply to direct messages, comments, and mention through your connected social media accounts. At the moment, this feature is available for Facebook, comments, mentions, and Messenger, Instagram tags and comments for business and creator accounts, and also soon direct messages for business accounts. Twitter, you can access comments, mentions, and Messenger, and in LinkedIn, you can access comments. You can engage and reply to your fans and audience directly in Loomly. Here you can reply, you can hide and unhide. And you can also delete comments. You can also assign comments or mentions to a collaborator so the questions are best answered by an individual person on your team. You can also mark all the comments as read, you can close them, or you can mark comments as unread as well. And from here, you can also apply, create, edit, and delete saved replies for your interactions to save you time when you're engaging with your fans and followers. Measure, analyze, and improve your client's success. Loomly provides advanced analytics features with account, post, and link metrics, and allows you to compare your performance over time. Loomly's analytics allows you to measure in real time your post performances once they've been published. You can then identify at a glance which topics and content types your audience is most interested in, and then loop this information back into your planning progress. Advanced analytics can be accessed from the analytics icon on the navigation bar of your calendar. We show analytics data for all your posts, not only your posts published in Loomly. Here's some other information we offer for our advanced analytics. Loom.ly, which includes click counts, sources, and locations when you use our loom.ly URL shortener. And also we offer account level statistics, such as your total number of page likes on Facebook, and also your followers on Instagram. We also offer post metrics, which include reach, impressions, and engagement rate. For this, you can also filter based on date ranges and year period comparisons as well. Basic analytics can be found in Post View. This is offered on the base plan, or if you've not yet activated advanced analytics. In basic analytics, we'll show basic metrics, such as likes and comments, so you can see what posts are performing better by comparing your post metrics. Now, moving into our library. The Loomly library is a digital asset management system right in the heart of Loomly. You can access the library by the book icon in your calendar's toolbar. Using the Loomly library, you can upload photos and videos from your device, and also upload photos from Unsplash. You can create notes to save text and links to use later. This is ideal when you come across a website you find useful or when someone on your team mentions an idea during a meeting. You can also create post templates, which is handy when you need to create posts with no dates so you can reuse them whenever you need. This is most helpful when you have an idea for a post, but you don't know when to publish it yet, or if you need a boilerplate for a recurring post that you want to publish over and over again with just slight updates. And you can also create video slideshows from still images in your library. From here, you can also build from an asset and create a post. And this just takes you right into Post Builder. Finally, Loomly Ads Manager allows you to create, preview, approve, and push Facebook and Instagram ads. Just access the megaphone icon on your toolbar. Loomly Ads Manager allows you to create dark post ads with the following objectives: reach, brand awareness, traffic, conversions, and video views. You can create the following type of ads: single image ads, single video ads, and carousel. And that's it. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to review our FAQ section for more information. If you feel like your question has not been answered on our FAQ, please feel free to contact our team either through the chat or over email at contact@loomly.com. Thanks again for joining us.